car 1 travels distance t with speed 2s, whereas car 2 travels distance 2d with speed s. The difference between their travel time is 45 minutes. The time taken by car 2 to travel 2d distances. So let's just take the case of car 1 and let's just take the case of car 2. Distance traveled is d in this case, and distance traveled is 2d in this case. Speed is 2s and speed in this case is s. So the time taken by car 1 would be how much? Distance upon speed 2s, and the time taken by car 2 in this case would be 2d upon s. If I assume this time to be, I'm assuming this as a. So this is what? 4 times of this value. It is 4a, right? And this difference of 3a, this difference of the time taken, दिया हुआ है ना difference between their travel time, ये कितना दिया हुआ है 45 minutes. इसका मतलब जो a है उसका वैल्यू आपके पास आ गया 45 minutes. आपको निकालना क्या था? द टाइम टेकन बाई कार 2 टू ट्रेवल डिस्टेंस 2d. इस डिस्टेंस को ट्रेवल करने में 4a लगता है, a का वैल्यू 15 है, इसका मतलब 60 मिनट्स लगेगा उसको, यानी 1 आवर लगेगा. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी.